Very wiggly, very wobbly.
Looks like string of pearls. It's a succulent.
Cheers. I like the texture.
It tastes like if we took actual caviar and dipped it in rose water and then ate it. Like there's a floral aspect to this,
That's a very generous.
to the ocean. Like it's oceany, it's salty.
I like the saltiness,
Yeah,
but do you taste the chemical taste?
yeah.
We're gonna dip into the soy sauce.
Oh, that's nice.
You like it with the soy?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it's really drippy. Oh my gosh. Still pretty good. Extra super salty.
Yeah.